In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to connect your PlayStation 5 to your laptop. So you can see I have my PlayStation 5 right here and my laptop right here. So the first thing we need to do on our PlayStation 5 is to go into settings right here, as you can see. And then on settings, there's one thing that you need to do, and that is to go into system here and then click on remote play and then click on enable remote play. Make sure that the remote play is enabled for your specific profile right here. That is very important. So once a remote play is enabled, then there is one thing we need to do. I'm going to show you now on my laptop. So I'm going to grab my laptop here, and you need to go into Google and search for the PlayStation Remote Play, so the Remote Play, if you haven't gotten that app already. Then scroll down here, and where it says Windows, PC and Mac, click right here where it says Windows, PC and Mac download. That's where you need to click. So what will happen then after that is that you will have this app right here called PlayStation Remote Play app. Then in here, click on other connections and click on PlayStation 5. So now you can see it's gonna search for it now. So if your PlayStation 5 is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi as your if your PlayStation 5 is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your PC, this will be a piece of cake. It's gonna pair really easily. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'm just gonna put it down here, kind of annoying to hold it like that, and I'm going to make sure that you can see exactly what is happening right now, of course. So you can see now on my laptop, you can see I'm literally able to get my PlayStation here on my laptop. It's literally connected right here. And I'm going to show you one more cool thing, by the way, that you can do. Take your PlayStation controller here. So you have your PlayStation controller here, right? You can connect it to your PC, so you can use exactly like a PlayStation. Click on the PlayStation logo together with this button right here until it's going to blink here. So like this. Then on your PC here or laptop, go into your settings, go into Bluetooth, find the controller right here, and you should be able to connect to it. Now you can see I'm able to use it here, exactly like a PlayStation 5, but on my PC here. And basically that is exactly how to actually do it the easiest way.